Decor Designs channel, your one-stop channel for all things interior and exterior design. Today we're tackling a topic that combines both functionality and aesthetics, the privacy fence planters to enhance backyard's beauty. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A privacy fence planter design is exactly what it sounds like, a creative approach to incorporating planters directly onto your existing privacy fence. This elevates your fence from a simple barrier to a vibrant, living feature, adding a touch of nature and seclusion to your backyard. There are several compelling reasons to embrace privacy fence planters, such as: first, enhanced privacy. Strategic plant placement can further block unwanted views and create a sense of enclosure in your backyard. Second, increased beauty. Lush greenery softens the hard lines of a fence, transforming your space into a serene oasis. Third, vertical gardening potential. By utilizing limited space, you can cultivate a thriving vertical garden, maximizing your gardening potential. Fourth, improved air quality. Plants naturally filter pollutants, contributing to a cleaner and healthier backyard environment. Fifth, unique design element. Privacy fence planters add a personalized touch, allowing you to express your style and create a one-of-a-kind backyard. Now, let's get creative. Here are 10 privacy fence planter design ideas to inspire you. 1. Classic wooden planter boxes. Match the stain of the planters to your fence for a seamless look. Plant cascading flowers like petunias or trailing herbs like thyme for a touch of whimsy. 2. Modern metal planters. Opt for sleek, galvanized metal planters for a contemporary feel. Fill them with succulents like aloe vera or spiky foliage plants like blue fescue for a bold statement. 3. DIY upcycled planters. Repurpose old buckets, watering cans, or even rain gutters for a budget-friendly and sustainable option. Paint them fun colors like sunshine yellow or turquoise for a playful touch. Consider using stencils or decoupage techniques for a more personalized look. 4. Hanging basket extravaganza. Attach hanging baskets directly to your fence for a cascading effect. Plant colorful annuals like impatiens or trailing verbena, ferns like maidenhair, or cascading vines like creeping jenny for a vibrant display. 5. Vertical garden pockets. Install pre-made vertical garden pockets filled with lush greenery like ferns and flowering plants like trailing geraniums. This option is ideal for smaller spaces or for creating a specific design pattern on your fence. 6. Tiered planter system. Utilize a tiered planter system to create a multi-level vertical garden. This allows for planting a wider variety of flowers like marigolds and dianthus, herbs like basil and oregano, and even vegetables like cherry tomatoes and peppers. 7. Living fence with climbing vines. Plant climbing vines like clematis or morning glory at the base of the fence. Train them to climb a trellis attached to the fence for a natural, living privacy screen. Consider fragrant options like honeysuckle for an added sensory experience. 8. Mixed media magic. Combine different planter materials for a unique look. For example, pair classic wooden planters with hanging metal baskets for a touch of eclectic charm, or use colorful plastic buckets with modern metal planters for a playful juxtaposition. 9. Light it up. For evening ambience, incorporate solar lights within the planters or string fairy lights around them for a magical, inviting atmosphere. Consider using solar path lights or spotlights tucked behind the planters to illuminate climbing vines or other foliage for a dramatic effect. 10. Water feature integration. Consider a small, self-contained water feature incorporated into the planter design. The sound of trickling water adds a calming touch to your backyard sanctuary. Explore options like self-contained tabletop fountains or small, built-in water features with a recirculating pump system. Best plants for privacy fence planters. When selecting plants for your privacy fence planters, consider sunlight exposure, desired growth rate, and maintenance needs. Here are some excellent options to get you started. 1. Vines. Clematis, wisteria, Virginia creeper for warmer climates. 2. Shrubs. Holly, boxwood, abelia. 3. Flowers. Climbing roses, fuchsia, lantana, 4. Herbs. Rosemary, lavender, thyme. With a little planning and creativity, privacy fence planters can transform your backyard into a lush, private haven. Remember, the key is to choose plants that thrive in your climate and match your aesthetic preferences. So, grab your gardening gloves and get ready to create your own backyard paradise. For more inspiring home design ideas, be sure to subscribe to the Homes Decor Designs channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Let us know in the comments below what privacy fence planter. Don't forget to share your own privacy fence planter designs in the comments below. We'd love to see your creativity and get inspired by your unique backyard oases. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.